Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to download and install Java on Windows 11. So to get started with installing Java on Windows 11, open up your web browser and then you need to go to this web page. And I'll also have this web page linked in my written guide, which will be the first link in the video's description, so you can go ahead and get it from there. But once you're on the Java downloads page, you can scroll down and then you'll find this download Java button, and you can click on that to download Java. Then the download for the latest Java runtime environment will start, which will be an exe file. And once it's finished, you can go ahead and click on Open File, accept any user account control prompts if you do get any, and then the Java installation wizard will start. You can change the destination folder if you want. I'm just going to leave it on the default and then click on Install. Next, you'll see this screen that says Installing Java, and we just need to wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you'll see this screen that says you have successfully installed Java, and you can just go ahead and click on Close. And now, if you right-click on your Start menu and then go to Installed Apps or Apps and Features on Windows 10, if you scroll down on this list to J, you'll see that you now have Java installed on your computer. I do hope this guide helped you out. Please like the video and watch any of my other helpful guides on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.